So, tell me about this truck you have here. I noticed that it's missing the radiator caps off and it's missing some hoses.
Are we recording?
Yeah, recording, yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing today? I'm Ken, founder of Audio Props. It's my first video. Please take it easy on me. I hope to do more, but I had to do this one because something crazy happened last week. Anyway, we worked on this truck last year. It's a 52 Ford, full custom restoration. The last shop that did the work, they did all the electrical part. We did the audio part. Found a bunch of problems. Anyway, the customer brought the vehicle back to us this year and got a quick harness, rewiring the whole thing. Excited last week because we're getting down to the wire. Want to get the AC back online. Pull the vehicle out. Ran the vehicle for about 5 minutes and we found that when you use cheap Chinese junk from eBay and no thermostat, hilarity ensued. I was almost 2 seconds from not being the founder of Audio Props anymore, but please watch the video, like it, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, let us know what you think. If something like this happened to you, please let us know. Thanks, I hope to have more videos in the future. Oh shit, you're off! Turn it off! Shit, that's right. I fucking have no idea. We get water and shit at that. This piece of shit blew up.